Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome of course. In this video, I will show you how to fix running scripts is disabled on this system in PowerShell. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just go on to the search bar, which is right here. On the search bar, just type Windows PowerShell. And then after that, you will see this run as administrator. So we're going to click on that. After that, this will pop up. So what we are going to do is to just type set dash execution policy space remote signed space dash scope space current user. After that, I just click on enter. And then this will pop up, which is the execution policy change. So in this part, what we're going to do right here is to just type Y, which is right here. And then after that, I just click on enter once again. After that, I just go here on the Windows icon. And then what we're going to do is to just restart our PC, and then that should fix your problem.